Are you running Google Ads but not sure which bidding strategy will give you the best result? In this video, I will walk you through the most powerful and proven bidding strategy in 2025 so you can get more conversions, better ROI and smarter ad spend. A bidding strategy is the method Google Ads uses to decide how much to pay for each click, impression or conversion. Picking the right one helps to hit your campaign's goal, whether that's traffic, leads or sales. Maximize conversions. This is a great beginner strategy. Google uses your budget or to get the highest number of conversions automatically. Perfect if you don't want to set bids manually. Target CPA. Have a specific cost per leads or sales in mind. With Target CPA, Google aims bring you conversions at your target price. It works best when you already have some conversion data. Target ROS. If you are an e-commerce brand and want to get more revenue from your budget, this one's for you. Set ROS goal and Google will optimize to hit it. Maximize clicks. Want more website traffic fast? This strategy focuses on getting you the most clicks possible. Ideas for awareness or early stage campaign. Manual CPC. If you like control and want to manage keyword bids yourself, go manual. It takes more time, but you can get great results if you know what you are doing. Don't switch strategies too often. It resets learning. Avoid automated bidding if you have no conversion data yet. And don't set unrealistically low CPA or ROS targets. They can limit your campaigns. If you are new, start with maximize conversions or clicks. If you have got some data, try target CPA or ROS. Advanced test CPC for full control. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments which bidding strategy has worked best for you. More Google Ads tips coming your way. Don't miss out.